We've just been treated to the official teaser of the upcoming OnePlus 12, scheduled for launch in China on December 4th. While the international release date was initially uncertain, OnePlus has now revealed the official global launch date and even dropped an international teaser. Let's take a look. The OnePlus 12 is set to debut in the US, India, and various other markets on January 24. This launch date coincides with the conclusion of the ongoing OnePlus 12 campaign. Notably, there's a 2 to 4 day gap between this event and Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event in 2024, where the S24 series is scheduled for release. Although the video doesn't delve into specific specs or features, it's already widely known that OnePlus intends to equip the device with a robust 5,400 mAh battery, boasting incredibly fast 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging capabilities. Under the hood, expect a formidable Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and a potential 24 GB RAM configuration. Witnessing the real-world performance of the OnePlus 12 will undoubtedly be intriguing, given the offerings from OnePlus. Are you excited for the OnePlus 12? Share your thoughts on the OnePlus 12 in the comments below. Feel free to subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.